Today I will show how to plot two sets of data in a single plot area for comparison. Here I have taken my program which will compare the stable marriage allocation algorithm with the random allocation algorithm. So here is my program. It is the stable marriage graph.py. So here we have designed one set of data which is created by random and another set of data from random set of data. We have used the stable marriage algorithm to convert this data to a stable marriage allocation problem, and we have shown the preference index to plot the graph and comparing that which one is good. So main thing is here how we can plot this two set of data in Python. So here is along with the other import files, here is the import matplotlib.pyplot, and plt is one of the instance taken from the matplotlib.pyplot. Here matplotlib.pyplot is a collection of command style functions that make matplotlib work like MATLAB. Each pyplot function makes some change to a figure. For example, creates a figure, creates a plotting area in a figure, plots some lines in a plotting area, decorates with labels, all these things. And here you can show that here we have created a random marriage of size n, and converting these two by calling the stable marriage this problem. But our main motto is how with these two sets we can plot. So here is the plotting the man number versus woman number allocation preference index. Here you can see that plt.plot x as per algorithm, and here it is B and O, and man preference index is holding the data in two-dimensional matrix, and similarly here the man preference index holds the data two-dimensional data in for random allocation, and these are the two BO for blue the dots, and R hat it will show the triangle, small triangle like red triangle like plotting, and already labels are given how it is given. So these two will actually plot the area in the same plotting area, and we have seen that X is the same plotting area, and you can use the title plt.title. I have seen here random versus psam. Psam is my algorithm, and Y label you can see the rank of the allocated service provider. This will show actually Y label. You can plot X label by using number, and plot.show will show immediately, and later we can show how this figure can be saved. So I will run the program with this 100 data. So Python stable marriage graph.py, and n is the number of size. So this will, you can see that these are the plots. The red you can see comparing with this that label is psam and this random is given, and here is the X label user number, and Y label rank of allocated service providers, high preference to low preference, and these are the dots. One plot the blue R BO B, and some dots. These are the for the psam, and these dots, these triangles, small red triangles are with this hat will show the data set. So two data sets, one in blue dots and another is red triangles, so shows in the same plot. So here you can compare and in the label with the program in the same plotting area. And next in the next class we will show you how to, in this class I will show you how to save this figure also. So you can save this figure instead of plot.show. You can hide this, come using this command line, and using this save figure. So you can save this figure. If you run this figure, so the figure you can see stable versus random underscore rank dot eps, or this name will be saved in file. So you can see this at stable versus random. So this picture will be saved and you can use it in your papers.